In the last video, we discussed adaptive project management. In this video, we'll focus on Agile Manifesto, the formal proclamation of Agile gurus on Agile values, which laid down the basis for the Agile approach as we know it today. Let's first understand how Agile Manifesto was developed. In 2001, a group of 17 computer gurus, developers, and managers held a retreat on lightweight development methods and released the Agile Manifesto. This was developed mainly as a tool to establish basic guidelines for any Agile methodology. Okay, so what does the Agile Manifesto say? The manifesto is as follows. We are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others do it. Through this work, we have come to value individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. An important aspect to note here is, while there is value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more. Applying any Agile method requires a clear understanding of these 4 values stated in the Agile Manifesto. Now let's look at each of these trade-offs emphasized by the Agile Manifesto in detail. Firstly, we have individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Although processes and tools help in successfully completing a project, it is the people who undertake, participate in, and implement a project to determine how successfully those processes and tools are used. The key factors in any project are the people, and the emphasis should be on them and their interactions. The next one is working software over comprehensive documentation. While documentation is necessary and useful for any project, many teams focus on collecting and recording qualitative and quantitative descriptions of deliverables, when the real value is delivered to the customer primarily in the form of working software. Therefore, the Agile focus is on delivering working software in increments throughout the product lifecycle. Thirdly, we have customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Traditionally, customers have been seen as outside players who are involved mainly at the start and end of the product lifecycle and whose relationships were based on contracts and their fulfillment. Agile believes in a shared value approach in which customers are seen as collaborators. The team and customers work together to evolve and develop the product. And the last one is responding to change over following a plan. In the current market, in which customer requirements, available technologies, and patterns of business keep changing, it's essential to approach product development in an adaptive manner that enables change incorporation and fast product life cycles, rather than emphasizing following plans formed with potentially outdated data. And this brings us to the end of our session on Agile Manifesto. Goodbye, and thank you for learning with us.